If you like to turn your deep freezer from this to this, stay tuned and continue to watch this video. So I wanted to organize my spaces, so I'm doing my deep freezer. This is the next task I'm tapping down. So I'm just cleaning out my deep freezer. I just really unthawed and deep cleaned that before, so now I'm just separated. So the containers I decided to use all came from the Dollar Tree. I'm telling y'all, the Dollar Tree have a lot of goodies, and if you're on a budget, you can go there. Just make sure make sure your lids fit properly. But yeah, it was just easy to just store this because a lot of my meat I buy fresh, but like my frozen fruit for my smoothies and different stuff like that, and my vegetables, I do have that, and like shrimp. So that's some stuff I do buy. But make sure y'all measure out y'all deep freezer when y'all doing it, so you would know how many compartments you can probably get in there, and make sure you don't buy too big storage containers. But I like the way it had turned out. Like, this is just enough space for me in my household, but it was really easy to do. Let me know if you like what I did. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share of me organizing my